Welcome everybody to a beautiful day. What's the name of this village?
Nyabohanse village.
Nyabohanse village. Today I'm pretty scared, guys, because maybe you didn't know, but in the Middle Age in Europe, the spouses were dressing up in red. So maybe it's a trap. Maybe they want me to get married with her, but I'm not gonna do it, especially not today. But anyway,
Really?
we are but not today. Another day. We have this brother here, David, and we do have Michael over here. All good, Michael?
Good.
Yes. I went to this village to work as photographer. Now they will have a beautiful Instagram. Okay, yes, smile, perfect. See, look in the camera. Okay, beautiful, perfect. Michael, do you want a photo too?
Yes, Michael, come we take 3 of us.
Give me everything. A photographer, they also carry luggages. Village photo shoot.
Michael, you okay?
I know Dee will make you shy. Don't worry, you get used. Yes. All the girls are the same. Just keep a straight face and smile. Hey. The goat doesn't want to be my food today. To get to the church, we need to cross a very huge river. A little jump. Oh! I was joking, but I was actually following for real at some point. Someone in the comments told me, marry Dee because they will give you land, they will give you cows and goats. The main problem is, what will I provide? Nothing.
Maybe the Italian passport.
The Italian passport. Oh, she's like the other girls I met around the world. Oh no.
Catch that part, okay? You wanna be Aish. This family really loves white people.
I should stop filming and watch where I put my steps. My feet. She got so much away from the rope. Oh, good job, David. You're so gangsta. Look, you have a clock. This is my watch.
And mine?
Yeah. So the landscape is beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow. It looks like the center of Italy, but there are different trees than what we have over there. But it's super interesting. Michael is the best guide ever. He's providing us all the infos. Michael, speak in English sometimes. Why?
I can speak.
You can speak, I know. Don't be shy. The camera is your friend. Oh, okay.
But she has a girlfriend. Why are you being shy?
Oh, wow. Wow. Buy a candy for your girl. And tell her that you're still young, but it's all good. Guys, you see why Africans are so skinny and in shape? We have been walking for 1 hour to get to this church. A cow.
No, be careful. Others are very...
Why they're aggressive? I just want some milk. Oh, tiny cow. Eating from the banana something. Is it good?
Banana stem. Yeah.
Banana stem.
Yeah, very healthy.
Very healthy. These are the banana trees.
Yeah.
But why the cows do not eat directly from the trees?
No, it's not good.
They are very responsible animals. Yes, we are a bit late to the church.
No!
I don't. It will not bite. I didn't even see him.
No, don't go close to dogs.
I wanted to go close.
Village dog.
I wanted to go close to the house.
No, please don't.
I wanted to show a mud house. They look so beautiful. We are carrying the chairs to the church. My God, you're super strong.
Yes, yes.
Much stronger than me. The mass just ended. To me it was a bit shocking, and this time I'm not even joking. Maybe I'm not joking for the first time in all these vlogs. And that's a mud house, completely built from mud. How you see in the history books of how they were doing all these buildings, all this stuff. I mean, over here it's still the reality. Incredible, like you could scratch it out and make a hole, maybe make a window. Wow, but there are no windows over here.
Weird.
Yes.
No, there's nothing.
I got... No. You are white too. Okay, we cannot be friends. I need a couple of minutes to speak to you about me going to the church. And first thing first. Oh my gosh, of course, they didn't force me to go to the church. That's just a clickbait. That's how YouTube works. And that's how we survive. That's how we buy food, thanks to the views. So please do understand that the clickbaits are needed. She didn't force me to go to the church. Wow, we found a plantation of skuma wiki, the typical veggie that you see next to ugali or almost any plate here in Kenya. Secondly, going to the church here kinda shocked me. The experience totally weirded me out. It was totally different from the Catholic churches I'm used to. Actually, the first hour or the first 2 hours, they were okay. They were speaking about the usual things, like the food appearing for the people in need and so on. But the last 1 hour and a half, 2 hours, to me it was the shocking part. It made me feel so uncomfortable, and I was even cold, like to present myself and so on. But while being called there, and I am okay with being called there and presenting myself, telling who I am and so on, there is this thing, they needed money for the roof, and I don't know, they didn't ask me directly, it's just that they needed money, and the way of asking money, it felt so much like it wasn't a religion. I mean, maybe it's me, maybe it's simply me that I'm not used to religions asking you money so directly. Maybe it's a prejudice. But the fact that they did ask money 3 times during the Mass, and that they dedicated the last hour of it continuously asking money, not only it weirded me out, but it made me totally disconnected from the Mass. And this one over here is the plant to make porridge. I'm trying to find the words to express what I'm feeling right now. English is my 3rd language. If we count the dialect in Rome, it's my 4th language. And I'm still very confused about what happened. They didn't ask me directly for money, but this thing made me so much uncomfortable. I do understand the values of the religion. I do understand that religious people, the real religious people, are less inclined to war. I'm not speaking about the extremists. I do understand that they need a roof, but spending 1 hour of your Mass asking money, it didn't make me feel good. It confused me for the rest of the day. They totally noticed it, and I'm still very shocked and confused. I really don't know why this thing affects me so much. I think it might be the cultural difference. I think that if in the churches they insist so much in asking money, then I do understand the people on the streets that they do ask me for money all the time, because it seems that it is like they were educated. But I don't know. If you are part of this religion, Seventh Days something, I will write it down here. If you are part of this religion, maybe you can send them $1,000 to build that roof, so they will not need to ask money around. And I know I made it seem totally negative, but actually I think it's very positive for these people believing in such a religion, because it's like a testimony that you are a wonderful person, and that's what they repeat between each other. Hi. So probably people need to be reminded that if they have faith, if they believe in their dreams, they can have a happy life, they can succeed in life, and That's how I want to close this video. Be happy, have faith, you can make it, believe in your dreams, and thank you so much for watching. Ciao!